Model Predictive Control, MPC, has gained significant attention from the research community for energy management in buildings due to increased computational power and availability of monitored data, finding successful implementation in thermal regulation, active energy storage systems, and renewable energy sources. A unified framework that fully describes and formulates MPC implementation is lacking, and this work introduces a common dictionary and taxonomy, defines the MPC formulation framework, critically discusses existing algorithms, highlights potential benefits of MPC in improving energy efficiency in buildings.
This article was authored by Gianluca Serale, Massimo Fiorentini, Alfonso Capozzoli, and others.